Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by tracking attention for 2 weeks using 30-minute check-ins daily. Record sleep hours, caffeine intake, and total screen time each day. Note when focus fades and what specifically distracts you in each session. Measure task difficulty along with distraction frequency to pinpoint underlying issues. After 2 weeks, review patterns and identify consistent triggers that harm concentration. This assessment gives clear data to guide targeted changes and helps you prioritize interventions that will improve sustained focus quickly. Improve sleep and hydration first. Aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly and 2 liters of water daily. Arrange a quiet workspace with 3.5 feet of clear desk depth and bright, indirect light. Reduce clutter to minimize visual distractions and use noise blockers or soft background sound. Adopt the Pomodoro method. 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break, 4 cycles before a longer rest. These physical and environmental changes support neural readiness and make focused work more sustainable throughout the day. Train attention through daily mindfulness practice for 10 minutes each morning to strengthen sustained attention. Limit multitasking and convert long activities into 30 to 60-minute focused blocks to reduce context switching. Batch similar tasks together and schedule breaks deliberately to prevent mental depletion. Replace endless scrolling by setting timers for social apps and honoring those limits consistently. Over weeks, progressively increase focus block length and track improvements to confirm real gains in concentration and task completion rate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.